Hey guys, welcome back to Gelline, where creativity meets style. Today I'm trying something a little wild. Can artificial intelligence actually design better print-on-demand products than me? AI tools are popping up everywhere. People are using them to write, to make art, even to design merch. But here's the real question. Would you actually buy something that was designed by AI? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Let's put me up against the machine. Here's the plan. I'm going to pick 3 random design prompts. I'll create my own version using the design tools I normally use. And then I'll hand the same prompt over to an AI tool, in this case Midjourney, and let it do its thing. At the end, we'll compare side by side, and I want you to vote down in the comments. Who did it better? Now, before we dive in, here's some context. The print-on-demand industry is booming. Statista projects it'll reach over $43 billion by 2030. That means more competition, and more people trying to use AI to speed things up. But here's the catch. Faster doesn't always mean better. Okay, first prompt, retro 80s sunset with palm trees. My version, I kept it simple. Bold neon colors, clean lines, perfectly balanced for a t-shirt print. Now let's look at the AI version. Honestly, at first glance it's stunning. Super detailed, almost like a painting. But here's the problem. Designs like this don't always print well. The shading and tiny details can blur on fabric. In fact, a 2024 survey from Printify showed over 60% of sellers struggle with print quality when they upload AI art without editing. So yeah, AI can generate it fast, but you still need a designer's eye to make it truly work. Next prompt, cat as an astronaut, floating in space. Here's my version, playful, cartoony, bold outlines. Works perfectly for a hoodie or a sticker. And here's what the AI gave me. Look at that. It looks like a movie poster. Epic, right? But here's the catch. It's a little too detailed. For print on demand, simplicity sells better. Redbubble's 2023 bestsellers report actually showed that minimalist designs outsell hyper-detailed ones by nearly 40%. Customers want something clear, something they can read instantly on a shirt or a tote. So yeah, AI's astronaut cat looks cinematic, but mine might actually move more units. Last one, motivational quote with bold typography. This is where humans have the edge. My version, strong fonts, clear spacing, easy to read at a glance. The AI's version? Well, it came up with a pretty background, but the text? Not so much. Sometimes it even spits out gibberish words. That's a deal breaker. Typography is huge in pod. Merch Informer found that text-based designs make up about 70% of all Amazon merch sales. That's massive. And right now, AI just can't compete with a human sense of typography and layout. So what's the verdict? AI is fast, flashy, and honestly pretty fun. But when it comes to print on demand, you still need that human touch. Knowing how something will look on fabric, keeping it simple enough to sell, predicting trends, that's where human creativity wins. I like to think of AI as a tool. Use it for inspiration, sure, but refine it with your own skills if you actually want to sell products. Now I want to hear from you. Which designs were your favorite? Would you actually buy the AI versions? Or do you prefer mine? Drop your vote in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes as we grow Gelline into a bold, mysterious, and luxurious brand. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.